My name is Omoye, a civil engineer, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to read a drawing. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be teaching you how to read drawings, architecture and structural design, and later on I'm going to show you how to implement it on the ground. Doing the setting out and stuff. So there's no need to waste too much time. Let's dive into the video. This is an architectural plan. This is how the house is going to be on the floor. So they are going to excavate this side like this. Okay, so this big one you're looking at is the block. Here is the block all around. Now here is a window. You can see it's saying W2 window. W2 window means this is window 2. This is talking about window 3. Here's another window 4. So when you see something like this, W something is talking about window. So the number, the figure there is talking about the type of window that is, and D means door. That means there's a door here to this entrance. There's a door here, there's a door here, and then this is private area. So basically, how is this thing going to be on the floor? It's going to be like this. So when you want to excavate, you're going to excavate it because this is how it is on the floor, this way. So when you get to your site, how do you know it is the way on the floor? Let's talk about it. See, it's saying ground floor. If it should be at this side, it should have said ground floor. Obviously this is ground floor, so this is how your positioning on the floor would look like this. Okay, so here is the roof. Here it's talking about how your roof should look like, the shape of the roof. Okay, aluminium roof laid to slope, roof gutter, and just the length. So all of these things we're going to see it in the next place. So if you look at this is now talking about the south elevation. That's to show you the position is going to be. So when you get to the site, you are going to have like 4 cardinal points. So you're going to use your 4 cardinal points to know where the front is, where the back is, where the west is. So you know, okay, this side is for this side, in case if you didn't get it from the drawing. So this is telling you south elevation. At the south elevation, this is telling you the slab. Okay, this is the slab. That's what we call DPC. This is the door. This is this window. Now how do I know? Let's check the other one to see this. Okay, so I want you guys to see what I'm doing. I'm trying to put the two buildings, the plan, the architectural plan and the elevations together. Let's look for the side that have a door and 3 windows. I don't know if you guys are seeing the two buildings. I'm trying to place my foot in such a way you see it. Okay, so this is the door. This is this door. This window is this window. This window is this window, and this window is this window. Okay, so you have 1 2 3 window, you have a door, and this is block. In between the windows we have like a one block. That's 2 to 50, or normally it's 2 to 5 for your block. 450, sorry, you have 450 width. So half of the 450, 2 to 5, like almost half of the block will just be here. So half, that's what it is. And so this is your south. So I believe this is how the land is. This is your south, this is your north, this is your east, and this is your west. So if this is the south, that means this is the entrance. The south is where the entrance will be. So this is how this will be positioned on the floor. The next elevation is this. It said west. All right, so like I was saying, this side is showing yours, this side of the house. This is your west, this side. You remember when I was telling you 4 cardinal points? This is the south, this is the north, this is the east, and this is the west. So the west is this side. So it's telling us at the west we have 3 windows. If you look at this place, we also have 1 2 3. We have basically 3 windows, and then this means this side is how you're going to look at it, and this extension here is what you have at this side. Okay, because you can see it's like an ATM machine stuff, and that's what you have at this side. ATM lobby. Okay, So like I said, the building is going to be like this, right? So we can see this is talking about what east elevation, which is at this side. So we have just two windows. If you look at this side, we have a window here who is very long. the length of the window is 1750, is the longest of all, and it's telling you this window is going to start like half of this window. Do you get? Which is this other window 4, and you can see is about 625, but height now. So this elevation is going to show you exactly how the window is supposed to be. You can see the way it's showing you how the window will be open, how this window is going to be open. It's just telling you exactly the type of window expected to be used. And then we have the northern part. The northern part is showing this access area. I don't know if the video is clear. This part of the building, as you can see, this was the part we saw the other time, the extension protruding out. So this is your ATM, as it's telling ATM to be here, and it's telling you here is open. This is the part that is open. You can see the part that is open, but you can see your ATM extension out. So yeah, basically that's it. So for me to explain this so you understand, this is just showing us what is happening at the foundation of this entire building. Other elevation didn't show us, so this is showing us what is happening down the foundation. Is just showing us those places that we have the columns. It's showing us this door is elaborating on it. Okay, you can see it's showing us the height. It's showing us the height that there will be a beam around there. It's showing us this height of the door. It's showing us this window, that's the half window, this window that is here. It's showing us this lobby area, which is the outskirts. It's just showing us, it's putting more details, and as you can see, it's showing the roof plan. It's showing the plinth level, is showing the ground floor level, is showing the site level, that is the normal natural ground level, obviously. Then this is the ground floor level, is your slab, what you people call Jama floor in Nigeria. So it's just showing us more details of how the structure will look like. Okay, this is a section. As you can see, this is not elevation, this is section. What that means is a section was cut. So as you can see, we have A, and A means this is section A. It means they cut like this. So what you are seeing here is what they cut. When they cut this place, if they cut the building like this, they cut the house like this, what are you going to see? That's what the section means. So when they cut this is what you're going to see. You can see they cut it from the lobby, the ATM lobby side. You can see the ATM lobby, they now cut it straight. What are you going to see? You are going to see this reception door. You are going to see this window. You are going to see this column. Okay, at section B, this is section BB, as you can see. So what are we going to see at the section BB? Where is the BB? BB, you can see it was cut through this way. So if you are standing here, what are you going to see? You are going to see this door that is here. What you are just going to see is the entire waiting area, obviously, and that's what you are going to see. So this is section CC. Where is CC? This is section, I don't know, is it clear? It should be. This section C, like this. If you cut this section C, either you stand there or you stand there, where are you going to see? So when they cut this section C, this is what they see, the waiting room. This cut through, what you are going to see is this side, right? And if you're standing at this side, what you are going to see is this window. You are going to see this door, and the toilet. Because if you are standing at this side, you are going to see this side. If you are standing at this side, you are going to see inside here. It depends. But for section BB, if you cut through, where is B? If you cut like this, if you're standing like this, you're going to see things like here. If you're standing here, you're going to see things that are there. So